2007 Toyota Corolla. I'm gonna proceed to replace the starter. I'm gonna take out the fence here. It takes about 1 or 2 minutes to remove it. You can take out the starter without removing the fence, but it takes you longer. You make much more space if you remove them. It takes about 1 or 2 minutes to remove them. First thing you do is disconnect the negative cable on the battery. Before going any further, here is the torque specification for the bolt and nut I'll be removing from this starter. 10mm bolt right there, and another 10mm bolt right there, and the one on this side here is missing. Alright, the fence here, this is where the 10mm bolt goes here, and here is the bracket, the connector here, and the other 10mm bolt here, the bracket. It took me about 40 seconds or a minute to remove it. Very easy, and you make a lot of space. This is the bracket here where the 10mm bolt goes. This 10mm bolt is the one that is missing, and that is the bracket right there. And if we go to the driver's side, right here where the 10mm bolt goes, very dark right there, and the bracket, very easy. That's started right there, and we have a 14mm bolt here, right here. You can even see if I'm pointing in the right direction here, right here. So dark, and another one here on top, right there. The 13mm nut here for the positive cable on the starter. Let's go for that 14mm bolt here beneath. The wire for the signal on the starter. That's the tab right there. Just press it and pull it out. And here is the old starter. It's very old. The new starter here. That's the information right there. TYC. This is the information on the box here too. And the positive terminal here of the starter, always check if it's rusty or something. Just clean it. I brushed it a little bit. I'm gonna install the locking washer right there, even though this kind of nut locked, as you can see right there, because of the design. However, I'm still gonna put this on here. Now let's see if the vehicle starts. Alright, the start is working. Thanks for watching this video and God bless you all.